Have you been wondering how to recreate this beautiful gown on this video? Come, let's do it together. It is as easy as A and B. We all know that every design begins with a basic bodice block. So I will be illustrating with this pattern paper for easy understanding. The first thing I did was to extend the shoulder line outward. You can see the brown paper I attached there. I extended the shoulder line outward and connected back to the side seam. That is the only place we want to add fullness because of the gathering. Yes, we have shaped it out this way. So we know that this design is also divided into two parts, the upper side and the lower side. And we have our waistline and our hip line. I want to divide that place into two. And also I'm coming down here by 1 inch to connect the 2 points together. You can actually do this at the hip line, but here I came down by 1 inch and I connect the 2 points together this way in a curvy form. It's not actually straight, so we'll open it up. Now we separate the two. We have the upper side and the lower side. So we'll work on the lower side now. We'll be using our slash and spread method in order to achieve fullness on the lower side. You can also use your freehand method to just add excess to the lower side. But we are using our slash and spread method to add fullness here. So we drew lines and we cut them out this way. The next thing is to bring our pattern paper and separate, giving space. Here I space it by 1 inch. The more spacing you add, the more fullness you will achieve. So we will gather it to the upper side this way. We'll make sure we gather it. So this is it. We have done gathering it. And this is what we are having here. So this is exactly how to go about that design. Is it not easy? So we'll be using a rope to shrink that shoulder area. We just make a casing, insert the rope, and use it to draw that side to our desired length. So this is it for this design. If you have gotten any value, please consider to like this video. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. God bless.